Hi, my name is Joseph Pons, and I'm going to go over my LAMP architecture. So the purpose of a LAMP architecture is to store, retrieve, manipulate data in a MySQL environment. So pretty much I created a database based off Mike Flynn's, where just create a basic database to store data. So opened up XAMPP, have MySQL database and the Apache web server running. No need for the Pro FTPD to be running because nothing's going through that. So for all the PHP code, I wrote them in Text Wrangler and have it all stored under HTC docs so it could be accessed on the browser. And it's all under the folder LAMP. Alright. So I'm going to open up the browser, go localhost, and the name of the folder was LAMP. And here's a list of all the codes that were stored in that folder. So we go to name input. Shows a pretty basic page to insert your first name, middle initial, and last name. And here's the code for the name input. So let's see, I'll just put my first name, middle initial, and then after I hit submit, it'll say the following has been added to your database, and then that will go through the stored name code. So after it's sent, here's the code for having it stored. So in the beginning it says it's checking for the information from the input from the HTML form, and it just assumes that everything went through. So then it connects to the database that I created, or to the table, which I could show you right now. And then here I named the database root, and then with the table names, and the table should have the count, first name, middle initial, and last name. Made the count primary key and have it auto increment, so the more you put, it'll just automatically number it for you. So I have that connected to the database, and then if it cannot connect, you will receive an error message. And then on the top here, where we have add another name, delete record from database, show name in database, that's just from the include.html. Right here we have add another name, delete record, show name, and that will just be on every page pretty much. So let's see, we can just add another one. Just say like John Jacobs. Sure, it was added. Then we can go show names. You can see we have my name we did in the beginning, then we have John Jacobs. And here's the code for the show names. And then we can also delete a record. So if we want to delete John Jacobs, hit submit, and then record 2 has been deleted and he's out of the table. And then here's the delete record code. And it's pretty much the same code as the show name, but just removing it from the table. And then after you delete the record, it just goes back to gone, where it displays the table without the one that you removed. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the database, store names and deleting it.